Well, welcome to your last assignment. Yay! The end of the school year. So your last assignment down here under final project, don't worry, it will not take you very long. You're going to make a video on Flipgrid, and the code that you'll need is Gingrich 5981. Once you enter that code, it will ask you to verify your school Gmail account. You need to use your school Gmail account. It will not accept any other account. Once you are into the college algebra page, you will see the 3 questions that I have listed here that I want you to answer in your video. And then if you scroll down past that, there will be a green circle with an addition sign, with a plus sign in it. That's where you're going to add your video. You're going to press that to start. You'll be given a little countdown, and then go ahead and answer those questions. And when you're done recording, that video will be saved and added for me to look at, enjoy, and grade. This video is due next Thursday, so you have plenty of time. I left you 10 minutes of recording time. You do not need to use all 10 minutes. Just make sure you answer all 3 questions. Best of luck, and I look forward to seeing your videos